Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to this video session where we are discussing the chapter Agriculture in Geography. So, children, we have discussed about the various crops grown in our country. And which are the major crops that we have discussed earlier? That is wheat and rice. The next crop we are going to discuss about the millets. What about the millets? They are also known as coarse grains and it can be grown on less fertile and sandy soils. It is a hardy crops that need low rainfall and high to moderate temperature. And adequate rainfall is required for the growth of the millets. And this bajra and ragi are grown in our country also. These are the two millets which is grown in our country. So these are the images of bajra and ragi. The next crop is cotton. The cotton requires high temperature, light rainfall, 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine for its growth. So children, here that is the climate means the high temperature as well as light rainfall and bright sunshine for its growth. And children, in which soil the sufficient growth of the cotton occurs? That is in the black and the alluvial soil. We know that different types of soils are there and this cotton is grown in this soil. Which soil? That is black and the alluvial soil. And which are the leading countries in the production of cotton? That is China, America, India, Brazil, Pakistan and Egypt are the leading producers of cotton. Yes, here we can see the image of cotton. And what is this, children? Can you guess what is this? Yes, this is the plantation fields of coffee. Isn't it? Yes. So this is about the coffee, and the coffee requires a warm and wet climate and well-drained loamy soil also. So here, children, the warm as well as the wet climate and well-drained loamy soil is also required. And children, you would have noticed in movies or in some other, whether we went outside, you would have observed, especially in the in this Ooty as well as in Kodaikanal, we can see more plantation fields of this coffee also. And children, the hilly slopes are more suitable for the growth of this coffee. And the Brazil is the leading countries for producing the coffee also, and followed by our country as well as the Colombia. These are the three countries, leading countries in the production of coffee. Here we can see the images of coffee seeds. And next we'll discuss about the agricultural development occurred or happened in our country. Children, that is after 1970s, the drastic changes has been happened to our agricultural crops also. In the production of the agricultural crops, you can see an alarmous growth also. An alarming growth in the, what is that? Production of the agricultural crops. And what is the reason behind that? That is due to the application of high yielding variety of seeds, fertilizers, manures. The drastic changes or rapid changes happened in the agricultural sector. And this is known as Green Revolution. The Green Revolution means, that is, revolution means it's a, yes, it's a rapid changes happened in the production of the agricultural crop due to the application of high yielding variety of seeds, fertilizers and manures. And it increased the cropped areas, the number of crops grown, as well as the irrigation facilities also. And mechanization of agriculture is also another aspect of the agricultural development. So children, we should understand that is, on the eve of independence and after, that is, we have used primitive tools and equipments for the performance of agricultural activities. But after the Green Revolution, it has changed into machines. The manpower has been replaced by the machines. That is actually what is mechanization of the agriculture. Advanced or sophisticated machines have been replaced instead of this manpower. So what happened to that? Due to the adoption of this mechanization, yes, the production has been increased and we can achieve the, yes, the drastic changes in the crops. In the production targets also, we can able to achieve the desirable targets. And what is the ultimate aim of the agriculture development? Is to increase the food security. Because I told you about the alarming growth of the population. So to satisfy the increasing needs of the population, we have to produce the enough food grains also. Then only we can satisfy the, yes, the people's wants also. So that is about the second aspect of this agricultural development. That is actually modernization of the agriculture also. Due to the mechanization of the agriculture sector has been modernized. And yes, it has increased the what? Production of the food grains also. So these are the two aspects related to the agricultural development of our country. So children, I hope this session related to the explanation of the various crops as well as the aspects of the agricultural development is so precise for you. So thank you children for watching this video.